from being a kid, born in the hood, ending up in Beverly Hills, and now traveling to 6 continents and counting all around the world nonstop and living my dream. Anyone can do it. Discipline is the name of the game. I could be sitting on a beach drinking a mojito. So I'm gonna just try to go ham again today, and you guys will see all the cool content that's coming out because the best is yet to come, but only if you put in the work. So you guys are gonna see a lot of new music, a lot of new content from all around the world, and we're gonna be talking to some musicians. We're gonna be collaborating step by step. But let's get going because this is gonna be quite interesting. Currently, we're in Bangkok, Thailand at DPS Studios. And yeah, we're about to get to it. So I'm about to film a piece of content in the airport right here. I'm gonna try it. Hopefully my tripod doesn't fall over. I'm waiting for my flight. And now I'm here recording in Bali, in Canggu. So I'm so excited to present you guys this new music. And who knows, maybe we'll end up having a listening party here or, you know, taking a dip. So while you're trying to get inspired, you can go ahead and take a dip and cool off. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment because of course, you don't want to miss what's going on. You never know where we're going to end up next. Every studio, of course, has a different vibe and a different sound. And I'm going to be recording my song Life Too Crazy. So I'm super excited about recording here. I'm definitely going to record and make some more. And they also have a podcast studio right next door. So I cannot wait to get into it and show you guys more stuff. So we're at Nuanu, about to shoot some concert in the creative city. It's going to be super unique. I've seen a bunch of the activations online and now I'm actually going to get to experience them and perform. So we're going to have so much content coming from around Indonesia, from Japan, from all over the place. We're about to go on this world tour. Let's go explore and see where we're gonna shoot some of the first content. This is your behind the scenes look of how we go viral, how we get down, and how the best is yet to come. Luckily, it actually stopped raining. I wasn't sure if we were gonna get to shoot, but look at this beautiful, look at this. This is crazy. This is about to be like in a whole nother world, I think. I can't believe I didn't get to see this last time, but this looked like some ish straight out of Avatar or something. I think that's where we would be sleeping right there in our dreams. And what is it, the place in Avatar where they sleep in the nest? Look at that. Yo, so we just did a sick performance scene here in the jungle. This place is sick and this cameraman is even sicker. It's our first time working together, but he is dope. So these shots are gonna be crazy. And this is literally the first location. We just rolled up here, stopped here, and then start shooting. So it's going to be crazy. Look at this. Check these artifacts. Y'all are getting the behind the scenes of how it's all done. Look at that. Very peaceful out here. Oh my God, it's muddy. My shoes are gonna get killed. And I only got one pair of shoes because when you travel, you can't travel with too many pairs of shoes so they take up so much space. Man, I cannot believe with all my travels, my previous situation, and everything that I've been going through in life for the last 5 years, and it's meant to help people rebuild in public. Anybody who's going through something, anybody who's struggling in life, who's having problems with their relationship, who's getting divorced, who's thinking about starting over and moving to another country, this is for you. You gotta let the people know the best is yet to come at all times. I'm even thinking about getting it tatted on my arm because that's probably my mantra that's gotten me through life this far, from being a kid, born in the hood, ending up in Beverly Hills, and now traveling to 6 continents and counting all around the world. Been places like Africa, Japan, London, Mexico, just all over the world, all over the States. And I've just been traveling nonstop and living my dream. So thank you very much. And I wanted to bring you guys with me because I couldn't have done it without your support. Look at this fire bridge right here. Look at that. Maybe I will be staying in Indonesia and going all over the place. They got some really beautiful stuff. I can't even begin to tell you. I haven't even seen it all. So there's just so much to see. And then going up to Jakarta and stuff. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love Daniel Popper. Hey, my guy Daniel. Woo! A legendary artist who has installations all over the world. And I actually took a picture in Mexico with some of his work down in Tulum with the open chest that I love so much. And there's some more of his activations. It makes me feel so special when I feel, listen.
Breathe slowly. You are not here to find something, but to remember what you already are.
I feel like I was just hypnotized. That was amazing. I wonder what that is. It looks quite interesting. Just got another performance shot and now we're packing up and we're gonna go to a completely different location. Today is content day. I'm going to be doing a content day once a week, all the time to perpetuity. From now on, I'm gonna be doing long form, short form. I'm gonna be doing all types of content, pictures, carousels, tutorials. So get ready. And I should try food on this channel. I'm trying to figure out, should I try food on this channel? I'm gonna ask y'all and see what y'all think. So we're here in this peaceful place. You don't want to miss a moment because there's going to be a lot of cool moments, a lot of traveling, a lot of food, a lot of collaborations, just all the things that you can imagine. And we're going to be using the sound of the universe to do it. So this place has like a bunch of mirrors or sound baths and has an echo. So it like reflects your voice to you. So you can hear your deepest, most inner thoughts. This place is pretty dope. But it would be better if I wasn't solo traveling or with a group of friends, actually. So next time when I bring more people with me, then we'll do a lot more different group activities that'll be fun for groups of people. So we're here at a new city that's apparently just starting to pop up, where the rent prices went from 1.8 million rupiah to 8 million rupiah. The videographer was telling me it's beautiful beach town called Sisi. And a lot of people don't even live here yet, but you're starting to see some tourists and definitely a lot of gringos, a lot of white people, as you would say in Spanish. And we're here shooting some video clips. So as you can see, I changed outfits and we brought out the drone. And yeah, we're just shooting different kinds of content. So you can see exactly what I do on a daily basis. I travel the world making content, and that pays the bills. And also, when you gain momentum, you get consulting and you get a bunch of different streams of revenue that come to you, you know what I mean? So anyone can do it. You just gotta be disciplined, because discipline is the name of the game. I could be sitting on a beach drinking a mojito or something like that, but I'm not. I'm out here sweating my butt off. It looks like it's fun, and it is fun. I love what I do, but it's definitely hard work. I've already been shooting for about 4 hours. I haven't even eaten yet. I had breakfast, but I haven't had a lunch or anything like that. And I'm just getting the content and I'm enjoying the different spots. So check it out. Look at the beach. Such a healing place. I might have to move to this area. It's a lot more quiet. There are really beautiful women around here. Like, oh my God, I've seen 2 of the most beautiful women I've ever seen in my life over here. How's the footage coming out? It's dope? Oh, it's good? Sure. Oh. I'm here in Uluwatu in my hotel room. Yesterday, I actually recorded 24 pieces of content. I went ham. It is 12:20 right now. I'm just getting started, but now I'm going to make another 21 pieces of content to get ahead. So I'm gonna just try to go ham again today, and you guys will see all the cool content that's coming out, because the best is yet to come, but only if you put in the work. If you don't put in the work, nothing's gonna come. Nothing comes to a sleeper but a dream, remember. So I'm in Haneda Airport here in Japan, and I just shot a random video using my tripod on the moving walkway. You gotta be able to get it in anywhere you go and use the scenery. There's people behind me, there's movement, there's the walking tripod thingy or whatever this thing is called. And then everyone is already lined up for my flight. So yeah, another piece of content in the bag. We're gonna get to work. It's gonna be tons and tons and tons of special surprises, special guests, collaborations, giveaways, all kinds of stuff. We have officially entered go mode. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment if you want to go along on the journey with us to a whole bunch of different countries. This is a hater-free zone. So if you don't show up before I glow up, don't even bother. We know who you are. Haters stay back. Until the next one. Peace.